So I'm at the Gumbalinda Tropical Beach Park and just got done with my canopy tour, which was incredibly fun. And I'm ready to look at some birds. There are lots of birds. Let's see. Hi. Scared? Are you scared? Come. Aren't these beautiful? So we're in Monkey Town now, this part of the park where there's monkeys. And after we've seen the beautiful birds, we're here to see some monkeys. And supposedly they will come down the trees. There's one right there. Hey, buddy.
Mango is a spider. A howler monkey.
Okay. I like you too. I do.